घर पर एक्वेरियम बनाने का सही तरीका। So to make aquarium at a home, you need a glasses. So here for my aquarium, I have ordered normal glasses. So let's unbox it. So generally, you need a total 5 number of glasses to make an aquarium. Okay. Now for that purpose, you can either use normal glasses or you can use extra clear glasses. For this aquarium build-up, I have used normal glasses. They cost around 120 rupees per square foot. And for my tank, that is around 3 feet length and 1.5 feet height. So for that, I am using 8 normal glasses. So these are the 5 glasses that I will use to construct the aquarium. It is mentioned P1, it will be front and back glass. P2 represents the bottom glass. And P3 represents both the side glasses. First of all, you need to clean your glasses with water. After that, you have to apply a masking tape around the glasses. For this purpose, I am using Wacker 121 aquarium silicone. So first of all, you need to cut the tip. Next, you have to fix the tip provided with the silicone tube. After that, you have to cut slightly around 1 centimeter. Next, you will need a silicone gun. You have to place the silicone tube inside the silicone gun and adjust it. When you press, the silicone comes out from the nozzle. Next, you have to apply this silicone with the silicone gun as a constant speed. You always use a finger grip. So let me see these types of aquarium construction. So there are mainly 3 types of construction you can make aquarium. First one is all glasses fixed on the top of the bottom glass. The second one is all glasses fixed around the bottom glass. The third one is the hybrid one, in which 2 glasses fixed on the top of the bottom glass and 2 glasses fixed around the bottom glass. So let's see one by one all types of construction. The first one, all glasses fixed on the top of bottom glass. So here the yellow one represents the vertical glasses which will be fixed on the top, and blue one represents the bottom glass. So like this, all the glasses fixed on the top of bottom glass. This is the first kind of construction you can make aquarium. Here blue color represents bottom, yellow color represents top one, and if we use green color, then it is fixed around the glasses. So in the second one, we will see all the glass is fixed around the bottom glass. Here all the glass fixed around the bottom glass. The ready-made aquarium available in the market will be like this one. Next, third one is the hybrid one. In this case, two glasses on the top of the bottom glass and two glasses are around the bottom glass. Here the green color represent the around the bottom glass and yellow color represent the top of the bottom glass. So in this sequence you have to fix all the glasses. For this aquarium build up I have used hybrid 8 mm normal glass. And for silicone I have used Wacker 121 professional aquarium. Back glass and the side glass. Then after you have to fix the other side glass on the top of the bottom. And the last you have to fix the front glass. So after sticking all the glasses together, I recommend to remove the tap immediately before the silicone dries. It will be easier to remove the tap. So this is how final our aquarium is built using this technique. You have to keep it for curing purpose for around 4 to 5 days.